Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Procreate for branding on iPad, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by ensuring your iPad is updated to the latest version of iOS. Open the App Store on your iPad. In the search bar, type Procreate. Select the Procreate app from the search results. Tap the purchase button to buy the app. Once the purchase is complete, the app will start downloading automatically. Wait for the app to finish downloading. Once installed, locate the Procreate icon on your home screen. Tap on the Procreate icon to open the app. Upon first launch, you may see a brief introduction or tutorial. Familiarize yourself with the Procreate interface. To begin a new project, tap the plus icon in the top right corner. Choose the canvas size that fits your branding project. You can select a custom size if needed. Once you've chosen your canvas, tap to create. Take a moment to explore the tools available on the left side of the screen. Familiarize yourself with brushes, colors, and layers. Start by creating a rough sketch of your branding concept. Use different brushes to see what styles you prefer. Once satisfied, refine your sketch for clarity. After refining, create a new layer for inking. Choose a brush that gives you the desired line quality. Once inked, you can add color to your design. Play with color palettes to find the best fit for your brand. After completing your design, export the art by tapping the wrench icon. Select Share and choose your preferred file format. Choose PNG for high-quality images suitable for branding. Finally, save the image to your iPad or share it directly to your branding channels. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.